Can you lock notes on Google Keep Notes? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to find out if you can lock Google Keep Notes. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Keep Notes app and make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Once you are logged into your Google account, you are just going to select a note that you want to log or archive. So in this case, Google Keeps does not have a direct option to lock it using password, PIN protection, or your biometrics. But what you can do is just long press on this note and then click on the three lines to archive it. So archiving it will remove it from your usual spot, and in order to access it, you will have to tap on the three lines and then tap on archives. And if you tap on it again and tap on this unarchived button, now note will be unarchived and you can find it on your regular spot. This is the only thing that you can do on Google Notes as of now. There is no direct way to lock it or protect it with a PIN or a password. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.